Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a DIY shampoo recipe, and I'm really excited to share with you more of my DIY recipes. So jumping right into this video, I'm going to start with 1/4 of a cup of coconut milk. And coconut milk is really beneficial for the hair because it contains many great ingredients like iron, selenium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, protein, vitamin C, E, B1, B3, B5, and B6. It also acts as a hair nourisher. It helps to soften hair and acts as a hair moisturizer. So needless to say, coconut milk is really good for the hair. I will also be adding 1/4 of a cup of Dr. Bronner's Hemp Eucalyptus Castile Soap. And Castile soap is really good because it cleans the hair and scalp amazingly well. Hemp oil is really good because it helps to moisturize the scalp and hair, also stimulate hair for healthy hair growth, and eucalyptus oil is really good to help moisturize the hair and really help to improve hair's overall quality. Next, I will be adding 10 drops of tea tree oil. And tea tree oil is really good because it helps to clean the hair and scalp. It also helps to encourage hair's growth by helping to unclog hair follicles and nourish the roots. And it helps to reduce dandruff and keep the hair nice and strong. I will also be adding 10 drops of Geranium essential oil, and Geranium is becoming one of my favorite oils. I really like it because one, it smells amazing. Also, it contains antioxidants that help to repair damaged hair. It helps to add shine, strengthen hair's follicles and strands. It also helps to promote healthy hair growth and helps to regulate sebum secretion, which is good because it helps to prevent drying of the scalp or having an oily scalp. Next, I'm going to take a tablespoon of sweet almond oil, and sweet almond oil is one of my favorite oils because I just love the way it feels on my hair and scalp, and of course it has so many great benefits. Sweet almond oil is rich in vitamins including B1, B6, which are definitely known to promote healthy hair growth. It also contains vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps to soften hair and stimulate the scalp, which we all know is really going to help to have healthy hair growth. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of grapeseed oil, and I like grapeseed oil a lot because it contains vitamin E oil. I love vitamin E. It helps with healthy hair growth and just the overall integrity of your hair. It also contains proteins and minerals, linoleic acid, and it helps to add shine to the hair, which is really important for me because I want my hair to have like that nice sheen, not to be greasy or oily, but to have that nice natural sheen. I will be adding 5 capsules of fenugreek seed powder, and fenugreek seeds are really good, especially for those of you that are experiencing a lot of hair fall and a lot of shedding. Fenugreek seeds help to prevent hair loss, and they also help to repair hair's follicles and keep them healthy and free of inflammation. Also, fenugreek seeds help to soften hair and stimulate the scalp, in turn allowing your hair to grow nicely. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is really good for the hair because it's going to help to protect hair from breakage. It also helps hair to attract moisture a lot better and prevent hair from breaking off. Also, it helps to soften hair from within, which is really nice because I want my hair not to be only soft on the outside but also on the inside of the hair follicle. I'm also going to add 1/2 tablespoon of avocado oil, and I love avocado oil. It's one of my favorite oils because it does help to seal moisture in the hair and help keep hair nice and moisturized. Also, it does help to repair and strengthen hair, and it helps to seal hair's cuticles and in turn prevent hair from breaking off. And it is lighter than most oils, so you don't have to worry about your hair feeling weighed down or just looking greasy. After adding all the ingredients to this bowl, here is how the shampoo is looking so far. To help all the ingredients blend better, I am going to give the mixture a quick stir.
You really know
After mixing all the ingredients really nice, here is how the shampoo looks. For an easier application, I am going to pour the shampoo into this applicator bottle. I am going to shake the applicator bottle just to help the ingredients mix a little further. And now I'm ready to shampoo my hair. I've already pre-pooed my hair, that's why it's in these nice juicy twists. I'm going to rinse my hair with warm water and then I will put my hair into quadrants so I can shampoo my hair. I'm making sure that my hair is nice and saturated with the water so that the shampoo can apply to my hair a lot better. Here's my shampoo and the consistency is pretty creamy. I'm going to apply the shampoo mainly to my scalp first, and then I'm going to work it down the length of my hair. This shampoo felt really good being worked down the length of my hair and on my scalp. It felt like an oil-based shampoo. It felt really good. It was nice and creamy. I didn't have to worry about my hair feeling stripped or deprived of any moisture. My hair felt really good. It felt really hydrated, really moisturized, soft, but yet my hair still felt clean, and I had that amazing lather that I absolutely love. Because the shampoo was a little thick, I just found it easier to pour the shampoo in my hands and then apply it to my scalp and down the length of my hair that way. I really love how the shampoo applied to my hair. It even helped my curls to clump together. This shampoo is really nice and very hydrating. I'm making it a point to really work the shampoo on my scalp because I did apply a lot of products on my hair, including gel, so I want my hair to be nice and cleansed and still feel nice and hydrated, and this shampoo is definitely doing a great job at both. I love the lather that I'm getting from this shampoo. It is not stripping at all. Once I have finished working the shampoo on all 4 sections separately, I am going to remove the clips and just really work the shampoo on my scalp, down the length of my hair, just making sure all of my hair has the shampoo and that there are no areas missed. After I have really worked the shampoo on my scalp and down the length of my hair, I am going to rinse it out with warm water. I'm really making sure that I rinse the shampoo out thoroughly because I don't want any of the coconut milk or the Castile soap residue in my hair. Overall, I absolutely love this shampoo, and I love making DIYs because you can control the ingredients and the amount of ingredients that you put in. It's really catered to you, and I love that about DIYs. The shampoo really left my hair feeling nice and clean, and my hair still feels soft and moisturized. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please give me a like, also comment, and if you aren't subscribed, make sure that you do so you'll get notified when I make new videos, because there are so many more videos coming your way, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!